We now know Southern Colorado hospitals are treating more children for abuse-related injuries than before the pandemic. It confirms the fears of many child abuse experts over the past year. KRDO News Channel 13's Sydney Stell spent the day looking into the numbers at Children's Hospital Colorado.
Here at Children's Hospital Colorado, we just found out that non-accidental trauma or child abuse actually accounts for more than 1 in 10 of the trauma cases they treat here at the emergency department. It's now the second leading cause of trauma cases that they're treating. We've been talking about this since the pandemic began. It's possible that with added stress from staying home, more children could become victims of child abuse. We're learning today that suspicion is a reality, at least at Children's Hospital Colorado.
It's unlike anything we've ever seen. We've seen child welfare change. We've seen the severity of injuries to children increase.
Month to month, the number of kids they're treating for non-accidental trauma continues to rise. When hospitals see kids with those kinds of injuries, the team at the emergency department gets social workers involved.
We see injuries from anything as seemingly minor as a scratch or a small bruise to broken bones or abusive head trauma.
From there, the Department of Human Services can get involved as well. A case manager like April Jenkins will start investigating. For her, since the pandemic began, the amount of cases she's worked on actually went down as kids spent less time outside their homes.
But at the same time, we saw the severity level of assessments go up. So we were seeing more significant injuries in children.
She says she's worked with the hospital a lot more in the last year, as those significant injuries often brought kids to emergency rooms.
It's very sad. It's very concerning. And it's also evidence that the families in our community are having a hard time and they're really stressed.
Coming up tonight at 6, we'll walk you through the signs of child abuse or neglect and how to report those if you're seeing them in our community. In Colorado Springs, I'm Sydney Stell, KRDO News Channel 13.